Welcome guys, and today is how to make cushion covers. So welcome to the class style. I'm Sharon, your host for today, and today we will be making cushion covers. I have this leather sofa, two-seater and a single-seater, but the single-seater is pretty good. I'm just redoing the double sofa. This is the leather single and it's pretty in good condition. So what I have here is my tape, my scissors, and I have my fabric choice. And I also have the cushion that I will be making this piece for. So I'm just opening my fabric on my board, making sure I have everything in order. My measuring tools. Take measurements for your cushion. Take exact measurement. The cushion depth. Half the depth. Measure the size, side to side. This is on the width, and add your seam allowance. Document those measurements. You measure from the zipper is at the back, and you will take the full measurement because this cushion does not have a seam in the center front. It goes all the way around back to the zipper. Remember to add your seam allowance. Once you have all your measurements in place, I have my fabric laid out here and it's on the fold. I'm just cutting, notching so that I will know the exact center. I will be pinning my seam allowance. You can use whatever seam allowance you want to. You can use 5/8, 3/8, an inch, it's up to you. So I'm pinning my seam allowance. This is the part where your zipper is going to go, and I will fold that back and press it in place. Now this fabric frays a lot, so I am going to take it to my serger and get that piece serged off, so it's not going to fray on me. So this is the serger. Now serger is very easy to use once you get accustomed to it. You can use 4 thread or you can use 3 thread. A serger is a finishing stitch, gives a finishing stitch. So I'm just going to run that through and finish that off. So this is the finishing stitch here, and I'm just going to stitch my seam allowance in place right through. So I'm going to be preparing to get my zipper insertion in place. So these are the top edge where the zipper placement will be. I'm pinning the seam allowance and then I'm going to get it based. I like to base my pieces because it gives you a neater finish. Also, when I'm doing zipper placements, I like to insert my zipper first before attaching the cushion. That's how it looks. So this is the piece where my zipper is going to go. Remember, it's based there. The zipper, I will put the teeth. This is the zipper front here. I'll turn it on the underside, and I'm placing my teeth exactly on the fold. Now zippers don't get intimidating. It's very easy to sew. So I will pin that down along one side. I'll base it and then I will pin the other one. I like to raise my flap up because I find it's an easier execution. Like I said, don't be intimidated. This is very easy. Once you follow these instructions, your zipper is going to look so neat. So I'm here on my machine and this is my zipper foot. I've already removed the other presser foot that the machine normally comes with. And I'm just going to be stitching my zipper in place. So you see how easy it is when you base. You don't have to, go ahead and pin and stop and remove pins all the time. So this is an easier method. So the zipper is in place, and I'm just going to be removing the basting stitch that I had holding the piece together. So what you want is the depth of your cushion, because you have to do the corners. So these are the corners, and I'm going to measure the depth. I'm turning it like a triangle. Open my flap, press my seams open, make sure everything is straight, and I'm going to measure the depth across the top, which is 3 inches. I will pin that in place. So this is how the corner is going to look. So I have all pinned in place, and I'm going to take it to my machine and get it sewn. So I'm just trimming away the extra, and I'll turn this over for you guys to see the fit. So I'm turning it over, and guys, you see how very easy this was? I hope you will try. This is the corner. I'm going to insert my cushion to show you the fit that it gets. I did a piece for the armrest also. I have my compressor here, and I have my air stapler gun, and I just stapled on a piece of fabric. I serged the edges, of course. And this is how the piece looks, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope I have made it simple for you. Do try it. And thanks for stopping by to the class style. I'm Sharon, your host, and I'll see you pretty soon. Bye, guys.